Hi, my name is Koen. I'm one of the co-founders of Citizenlab and I'm the CTO. That means that I'm mostly working with the product and the development team to make sure that we are making the right choices, we have the right structures in place. I studied computer science, did a few years of consulting, also worked on some other startups, and then I started together with Wies and Aline on Citizenlab. We use Ruby on Rails for our backend, which is an API, and then we have the front end, which is a single page application written in TypeScript, mostly using React. Next to that, we have some supporting services for the NLP. Those are written in TypeScript, and then for the real-time components, a few components of the platform, they are written in Elixir. Our product development team is divided into a few squads. A squad is a cross-functional team that focuses on a specific slice, a specific part of the product. It has its own mission and it's focused on a specific piece of the code base as well. Every squad has their own internal process in terms of how they work from day to day, from week to week, because they're also different. They have different pieces of the product, they are different people. But then we have some shared, let's say, high-level process in terms of how we define roadmaps. We do that every quarter. And also we have some shared principles, which we all try to apply, which is, for example, that we work in small iterations. We like to release a lot and we like to experiment a lot with our customers. We also give feedback to each other and we work quite transparently. And we also like to continuously invest in our ability to make changes to the product. So I wouldn't say we're structurally active in open source projects. Our source code ourselves is open source, or at least a part is open source. We have an open core model, so we share our own source code. We also have something which we call a 10% project, where all staff can spend their Friday afternoons in a way they want themselves, in a way that makes sense to them. And some of the people are using that to contribute to some open source projects. If you care about the big picture and like to have something meaningful to contribute to, if you want to work with talented colleagues and want to use modern technologies, and if you don't just want to execute tasks, but really work on a solution and try to come to good solutions together with the team, then I think Citizenlab is a perfect place to work.